Jalfrezi pasta. So for this we need 2 tablespoons of yogurt and 1/4 of a kg of chicken. We're gonna be using this masala. It's called chicken Jalfrezi. You can use any brand. We're using Shan, and we're just going to marinate the chicken. So we're just going to add 2 of this masala, 2 tablespoons definitely, and we're just going to marinate it. Now we're just going to mix it up, and we're going to marinate it for about some time. We're going to marinate it for 15 minutes. We have to first mix it up, and we have to mix it up very well so that all of the chicken is covered with all the masala. So yeah, that's it. And we will be using 3 vegetables: tomatoes, bell peppers and onions, but you can use whatever vegetable you want. And we're going to also add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. So if you don't have garlic, don't have a paste, that's alright. You can just use that garlic and ginger. It will work the same. So now for the pasta, I have boiled 1 packet of these bow pastas because I love these, but you can use any kind of pasta you want, like spaghetti or macaroni or whatever you want. It's your choice. We have now added 6 tablespoons of oil and our ginger garlic paste, and we're just going to mix it up, and we're going to add the chicken, the marinated chicken that was marinated for 15 minutes. And we're just going to mix it up. We're going to definitely brown it. I don't know what this is called, but we're just going to do that, if you know what that is. And now we're going to add water in. And we're going to mix it up again. And we're just going to cook the meat. Now we're going to add all our vegetables. We're going to add them when the chicken is fully cooked. So we're just going to add it in, and we're just going to mix it up, and we can just add our pasta and it's gonna be ready. That's how easy it is. So we're just going to mix it up, and we're going to mix it up till it's your choice how much you want to mix it up actually. We're going to cook it until the bell peppers are soft so that it's easier to eat it. And we're just going to add the pasta to it. And then you can use whatever pasta you want, and we're just going to mix it up. Just going to mix it up until all of the pasta is covered with the sauce and the sauce is evenly distributed. So we added more masala because we thought it was not looking that much spicy. So if you want, you can add the masala according to your preference and according to your taste buds. And that's all. Our chicken Jalfrezi pasta is all ready, and hope you enjoy it.